Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Ramadan is a blessed month filled with opportunities for spiritual growth, forgiveness, and immense rewards. But sometimes, without realizing it, we make mistakes that can reduce the blessings of this sacred time. Let's go over some common mistakes and how to avoid them to make the most of Ramadan. First, skipping or rushing Suhoor. Suhoor is a Sunnah and a source of Barakah. It gives you the energy to fast and helps you stay focused throughout the day. Instead of skipping it, wake up a little earlier, eat a wholesome meal, and use the time to make dua or pray tahajjud. Second, getting distracted during worship. It's easy to lose focus during Salah or while reading the Quran, and especially with phones nearby. Try to create a distraction-free zone during worship. Put your phone on silent and remind yourself that this time is for Allah alone. Third, wasting time in arguments or gossip. Ramadan is a time to purify our hearts and actions. Engaging in backbiting or unnecessary disputes can reduce the rewards of your fast. Instead, practice patience, forgive others, and focus on positive speech. Fourth, overeating at Iftar. While it's tempting to indulge after a long day of fasting, overeating can make you sluggish and less productive in worship. Eat in moderation. Follow the Sunnah by breaking your fast with dates and water, and save room for Taraweeh prayers. Finally, forgetting the spirit of giving. Ramadan is not just about abstaining from food and drink. It's also about generosity and helping those in need. Don't miss out on the chance to give charity, even if it's small. Every good deed is multiplied during this month. By avoiding these common mistakes, we can ensure our Ramadan is filled with barakah and rewards. Let's make this Ramadan the best one yet by staying mindful, focused, and connected to Allah. May Allah accept our fasts, prayers, and good deeds. Ameen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who needs it. Let's help each other make the most of this blessed month. Wassalamu alaikum.